A very good morning to Madam Azlina and my fellow group mates. I am from Group 6 and my group consists of 5 members including me myself. Davinos Anak Syahid 72771 is in charge of the introduction and propose suitable network equipment. I, Peng Waiki 71317 is in charge of suggesting the best topology and conclusion. Hema Priya Anak Perempuan Syam Muganathan 66113 is in charge in sketching a simple network diagram for the building. Margaret Ling Yiching 72790 is in charge of proposing security measures. And Wong Siu Min 72867 is in charge of calculating the budget for this project. Now I will pass it to Davinos.
Hello, thank you, Waiki. My name is Devinon Jahid, and today I'm going to talk about our introduction and also the suitable network equipment that we have been proposed for the Sharikat. Since this project requires us to use our knowledge that we have learned from this course to implement in the real world, we decided to make like an actual proposal of which we came up with a made-up company name called Unisam. Our company offers IT support and also installing and configuring hardware, software, and even network. The objective is to propose a design and install a complete functional network layout for Syarikat AABBCC Sendirian Berhad. So the solution is to propose installation of network switch on each floor with suitable network equipment which will meet Syarikat AABBCC Sendirian Berhad current needs and also for future expansion as the network needs to evolve. So let's take a look at the network equipment and cabling that we have been proposed. Why did we chosen 1135 multifunction network laser printer for this Sharikat? Because spend less time waiting as it can print up to 23 or 22 paper per minute and also operate for less and runs with incredibly low cost per page. And why did we chosen 224 gigabit smart managed switch with 20 RJ45 and 4 SFP combo ports? It's because the power over internet support, automatic configuration, extensive management and layer 2 feature, comprehensive security feature to protect your network. So this one is the server, and why did we chosen it? Because designed for to demanding workload, manage and secure your data. Dell Optiplex 3070 desktop computer with Intel Core i5 9th Gen and also micro PC. Has a stronger signal, seamless connectivity, secure, work confidentially, and also faster booting time. This one is the server rack. It is wall mounted, and save up space. Can save up space for anything else. This one is the P-Link, the router, the Wi-Fi router with high speed with turbo button. Better wireless performance, WPA, WPA2 encryption, WPS, and easy to set up. UTP unshielded twisted pair cable, category 6, is a standardized twisted pair cable for internet and other network physical layer that is backward compatible with the category 5 or 5E and category 3 cable standard. It is most suitable because it using two link for TX and two link for RX. It is scenario for 4 wires, namely 1, 2, 3, 6, which they will use as active link for communication, where 5, 4, 7, 8 will be used as backup link. I will hand it to Waiki. Thank you.
Thank you, Davinos. I am Waiki and I will talk about the topology which is suitable for this company. On the left of the screen, there is a simple illustration of how the topology looks like. So for this project, we will suggest to use a tree-network topology, of which star topology will be used in each levels and bus topology will interconnect both of these levels. A star topology has a point-to-point link whereby each peripherals will be connected to the central hub. It is also easier to troubleshoot any error with this kind of network arrangement. If any peripherals or cable itself falls short, the whole communication will not be affected. It is also inexpensive, easy to install and configure since there isn't too much of cabling. And this topology is very secure since data backups can be stored in a private folder on the hub. In between the levels, a bus topology will be used. It has a multi-point configuration where a long backbone will link all the devices in the network. It is also easy to install and cheapest due to less cable is required compared to the other networks. If a peripherals fail, the rest of the network will not be affected as long as the cable is still functioning well. Lastly, it can be extended by just joining a cable with a repeater or connector, and additional peripherals can be added to the network. So that's all from me. Thank you. Now I will pass it to Priya.
Thank you, Vaiki. I'm Hema Priya and I will explain about the network design. This building has two levels, level G and level 1. In level G, there are two departments, reception area and customer service department. Reception area has 5 network points with 2 PCs, 1 access point and 2 external devices. In customer service department, it has 6 network points with 2 PCs, 1 access point, 1 printer and 2 external devices. All the network devices are connected to a switch in level G. In level 1, there are 2 departments and a server room. HR and Finance department has 10 network points with 4 PCs, 2 printers, 1 access point and 3 external devices. IT department has 6 network points with 2 PCs, 1 access point, 1 printer and 2 external devices. Again, all the network devices are connected to the switch in level 1. In server room, there are 2 server racks. Each server rack consists of 5 to-use servers and the remaining 5 is reserved for the future. These servers are connected to the switch in level 1. Each department has its own access point to allow staff to connect their external devices such as laptop, PDA, tablet, and smartphone to Wi-Fi. Each level has a switch and a router. All PCs are connected from the cloud to the router and then connects to the switch. Now I will pass it to Margaret.
Thank you, Priya. Now I'm going to present about the proposed security solutions. I'm Margaret Lin Yiqing. Firstly, the security measure chosen is SSH key. It is known as Secure Self. It is an encrypted protocol used to administer and communicate with servers. For firewall, it is the software or hardware device that control how the services are exposed to the network and type of traffic allowed in and out of a given server. Well, Virtual private cloud network are private network for infrastructure resources. For service auditing, it is a way of knowing what services are running on a given system, which port they are using for communications, and what protocols are accepted. Unattended update allow the systems to update a majority of packages automatically. Backup frequently also included in security measure. This is crucial in saving compromised systems and data. This is also crucial in analysis how the system was compromised. While virtual private network is a way to create secure connections between remote computers and presents the connections as if it were a local private network. Next, public key infrastructure and SSL or TLS systems is a system that is designed to create, manage, and validate the certificates for identifying individuals and encrypting communications. Security measures also included file auditing and instructions detection systems. It is used to detect change to the system that may have been authorized. It is a software that monitors a system or network for unauthorized activity. Lastly, isolate execution environments provide an environment where malware will not affect the entire systems. That's all from me. Now I'll pass it to Xiuming.
Thank you, Margaret. I'm Wong Xiuming and my matrix number are 72867. Today I'm going to present on the budget breakdown for the network equipment that we use in our project. For the first switch, we use Link DGS 1210 series smart managed switch, and each of the price is 1,150 ringgit and 44 cents. And we are requested for 2 units, so total for 2 units are 2,230 ringgit and 88 cents. Next, for the router, we use TLWR940N 450 Mbps wireless and routers. 218 ringgit and 76 cents for each unit, and for 2 units it costs 437 ringgit and 52 cents. Next, for PC, we use Dell Optiplex 3070 desktop computer with Intel Core i5 9500T micro PC, and it costs 2,946 ringgit and 76 cents for each unit, and we use 10 units for our project, so it will cost 29,467 ringgit and 60 cents. Next, for the network cable or wires, we use UTP unshielded twisted pair cable category 6, which is blue color of its jacket, and it costs 652 ringgit and 70 cents. We estimated 40 cables to be used, so it costs us 26,108 ringgit. For the server rack, we use RK619 wall-mounted 6U server rack, and it costs 993 ringgit and 94 cents, and for 2 units are 1,987 ringgit and 88 cents. For the 2U server, we use Dell PowerEdge R520 server, which costs 213 ringgit and 26 cents for each. And for 5 units, 1066 ringgit and 30 cents. And lastly, for network printer, we use Dell 1135N multifunction network laser printer, which costs 649 ringgit and 31 cents each. It costs us 2,597 ringgit and 24 cents for 4 network printer. For the total budget of total unit used for the network equipment, it costs us 63,895 ringgit and 42 cents. That's all from me. Next, I will pass to Waiki. Thank you.
Thank you, Xiumin. Hi, it's Waiki here again. Now I will conclude this whole project. The overall picture of this project is that 7 network equipments will be needed, which are the D-Link DGS1210 series smart managed switches, TLWR940N 450 Mbps wireless and router, Dell Optiplex 3070 micro PC, UTP, which is unshielded twisted pair cable Cat6, RK619 wall-mounted 6U server rack, Dell PowerEdge R520 2U server, and Dell 1135N multifunction network laser printer. The topology to be used in this project will be a tree topology, whereby star topology will be used in each levels, and bus topology will be used to interconnect both the levels. 10 security measures to be taken in this project is SSH keys, firewalls, VPC network, service auditing, unattended update, backup frequently, VPN and private networking, public key infrastructure and SSL or TLS system, file auditing and intrusion detection system, and also isolated execution environment. The total budget needed for this project is 63,895 and 42 cents. So that's all for today. Thank you.